Hold on.
I need to film.
You need to film? All right, I'll let you in, but just this time, okay? Hi guys, welcome back. This is Jerel and we're here at another listing. Today we're in Redondo Beach, California. We've got a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, and this one's just over 2,500 square feet, listed at 1.4 million. As we walk into the home, it opens up to this large living space. You got a wet bar to entertain your guests. The lighting is beautiful off the subway tile there in the back. And as we head over into the kitchen, it's a nice modern kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, quartz countertops. They've also implemented the subway tile here. And as you can see, you've got the stainless steel professional thermodor.
I can get to rapping cause you're never getting higher.
As we step over, you got a dining room area with a beautiful windows here.
Yeah, in the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more like
Stone fireplace. This is gorgeous and enjoys, a nice warm fire on cold winter nights. Let's go upstairs and take a look at what's happening up there. So as we enter through this corridor here, you've got your laundry right here conveniently located. You've got a nice 2-car garage right outside this door.
life that I live mad ruckus. But if you never seen a grown man rock jewelry like me, jealous if it coming over you, then you.
And as you come back in, we'll take you up the staircase here. Beautiful custom iron railing.
Brag about the crew, even though it's new. Even though it's new. Yeah.
All right, welcome to the second floor. It opens up, you've got your guest bathroom here, and you've got 2 guest bedrooms to the right wing of the house here. As we walk through this part of the house, we've got one more guest bedroom to show you. It's actually a little bit bigger with a private bathroom. Are you guys ready to see the master bedroom? Let's check it out. We're gonna head over to this wing here, and you enter into a beautiful family den area. You can kind of create it, maybe an office. But you've got your kitchenette here, so you can make your cocktails and kind of hang out on your beautiful balcony that opens up right here, with French doors also coming out of the master bedroom. As we step over into the master bedroom, we've got beautiful vaulted ceilings, and we're gonna step over here. Down the hallway, to the left, you've got your his closet. To the right, you've got the hers closet. And at the end of the hallway, you've got the beautiful bathroom, quartz countertops again, beautiful backsplash on the deep tub and the shower. I absolutely love the seating here in the shower, and also the shelving they've done here. That's it for this room. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. I've got more properties to show you, but if you'd like to take a peek at this beautiful home, I'm gonna be holding an open house here April 21st and 22nd. That's this Saturday and Sunday between the hours of 1 and 4. We'd love to have you there for some champagne and cakes, so stop on in and see us. Have a great day. Bye now.